prospecting, and say you're a traveling sales rep and you just want to be able to see all the doctor's offices that are in your area, and you don't want to use Google because Google takes a while to go click, 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 click through and everything. So I'm not going to open up their email down here, but you can see like a lot of these people do have emails. So it'll drop you right to them, give you phone numbers, and you can put that in your GPS and travel around and make cold calls and do all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. No, we don't want to say that. Now, go back here. Now, say we are in tech sales, right? So I want to search by technology. I'm not in tech sales, so we'll type in I, and it'll give us a whole bunch of different um, technologies, coding, and things like that companies use. So say we want to do iProm. So I'm going to hit search, and again, it's going to give you, this could give you about 200 or so, and it'll give you companies that use iProm. Say you work for a competitor of iProm and you want to go after all of these companies. Well, here you go. BMW uses iProm. It'll give you company name, phone number, emails, addresses, and socials, right? So if I want to delete that, I can just come here. I can go to bulk delete it. I don't want that one. That's not a good one. Now, I can also come to filters, and I can search by title, maybe a phone number, email, address, anything like that. So I can come right down here. I can see trustedphysicmediums.com. They have all sorts of numbers. They use iProm. Outside Pursuits use iProm, so on. And I can just export that to CSV as well. So say I want to do this. I'm owner of a company and I want to do email marketing to these companies. Say, hey, this is why you need to come over from iProm. This is or maybe you work with iProm and this is a product that we offer that borders up with iProm, and it'll be great for you. So this is a really cool tool to have just to see where everybody is, and kind of, you can reach out to people that you had no idea even uses your product. So these right now, this is going to be in the basic, the Google and by technology. So over here, we go to SIC code, and this is going to be every standard industrial code. So when a business is incorporated, what happens is they get, registered and they get a standard industrial code. However, whatever that company does, they'll get their code and they're categorized. So as you can see here, just the first one, agricultural production crops. There's 27,128 contacts in there. And if I want those, I just go to download, and I can download it and it goes right onto an Excel form. Okay. Say I want, juice manufacturer, jeans. Let's go jeans manufacturers. Okay. There's 149. I'll just go to download, and I'll download them. Or mushrooms. Well, maybe I work in metal mining. All right. There's 1,205 contacts. Now, I would probably download all of these, because sometimes what happens is companies start at one thing and then they branch out into other things. So you may have a metal mining service that actually mines metal, right? So they could actually be down here, but they're really somebody that you want to target. So you can just download all that. And these are downloads that you can download as many of these as you want. There's no cap on how much data you download from the site. If you're in multiple industries, then just have at it. I mean, you're paying for it for the year, so that is why you pay for it for a year, because we're not capping your data here. You are downloading anything that your heart desires.